po I remember our last conversation. Tama ba ako? We talked about it.
It's 2 years ago. A year ago.
A year ago, nag-break kayo. And then, there was this post na nakita namin. I think it was Wami's page. And everybody was saying, ay, nagkabalikan sila. And then, nawala, everything quiet. And I asked you, nagkabalikan ba kayo? What is the story?
We're talking again.
And that's a good sign.
And that's a good sign. Yeah. Because to me naman, I still remember completely yung interview ko dito. Sinabi ko na siya yung standard ko.
Oo,
And,
sabi mo, benchmark mo.
opo, hindi talaga ako nakakita ng mas higit pa doon. Or even kapantay man lang doon. Or even almost na ganun pa doon. Or even kapantay man lang doon. Or even almost na ganun.
Oo, may mga sumubok.